Yo, 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 what's as a matter of fact, is the mic on? Yeah, the mic on. Oh man, what's good everybody? You don't know. Saturday night. It is 12:37. Got me a little nightcap. You know what I'm saying? We in front of the charts. We could be doing anything we want. Y'all could be in the club, whatnot. But we over here trying to get this bag. Alright, so yo, look. It's back testing session. Um, just gonna give an overview of the structure. You see, this is we're trailing our highs and lows. Straight DTFX strategies, not even strategies, concepts we're using. Bang, bang. All right. On a 15-minute, we're at this low here. So, cause us to push up. Hey, man, it's late, man. Y'all just gotta go through the yawnings, man. I'm sorry, but you know, I'll be yawning, bro. But we be trading. We still trading. Well, not trading. We still back testing. We still getting the bag. All right, so yo, look at all these swings going up. Let me zoom out. Look at all these swings. Damn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings. Right, that's 5 swings, and then we have. I was back testing earlier today. That's why I have all this marked out. Then we have this zone here. Ultimately, based on how everything is looking, I think no, I not think I anticipate this zone here getting busted up and going up some more. But because we have all these swings here, before this happens, before this high gets taken, I'm going to prepare for when I see this happen. Price come down to here because of this extension up. So because I'm anticipating that in mind, I'm more anticipating these lower time frame lows to get violated on the way down, right? No, because I expect them to get violated on the way down, I'm only going to look for longs underneath these lows. So I'm gonna wait till this low get clipped, come down. This low get clipped, get a nice trade up. Wait till this low get clipped, nice trade up. Now when I start approaching down here, I think that because we come into the imbalance, I could get a decent pushback up here because them said the first imbalance put in what? A new high. So what I'm gonna do is color this green for the money. And let's roll. Let's see if what I said will play out. No, it's gonna take a while because look how far we are. But where did I say it? Somewhere down here. It is gonna pop off. Hold on, let me take off some of this color. Jesus. Hold on, let me take off some of this color. Actually, no. This is. Wait, what the hell? Oh yeah. This green here. That we said, damn, there's a lot of color. Let me take this off. I don't need this shit. Much better. All right. Sorry for the delay. But let's get popping. So I'm gonna look for some big longs under here. Let me just put me a little line. We've been sipping, dog. We've been sipping. Come on, now. We've been sipping. All right, let's run the track. All right, so we expect highs and lows to be formed as we come down. So this low get taken. Actually, I want to go it slow because that's not how fast the market move. All right, so this low get taken. man, y'all just gonna have to see it. This low here get taken, create this high. Right, so that's the second swing coming down. Now on the second swing coming down, you have 1, 2 swings. So I'm not gonna take no longs yet. Not yet. Wait till some more swings get created. So that's what 1, 2, 3 swings. Alright. So you have this low down here. Scalping. So my major long that I'm finna take is what we say? Man, let's just go with the flow. Down here. Yeah, down here. Because of the high extension up. Alright, roll, man. Shit. Alright, we're coming down. We'll pass this. Moving down. So yeah, so I said we can get a little squirt up here because this low got run. And you see we have a double bottom there. So usually price failed to take this low. This is probably the high if you're looking at the higher or even yeah. So we might, and I just anticipate price at least running this high. I'm not going to say yo we can this long go all the way, and I probably this is 50% of the zone. Yeah, I could see a long here. Yeah. Yup. Bam! Look at that, bro. Jesus. I never expect that long, dog. This might even be strong enough to run this high and push all the way up. Me with my little theories. Damn. All right, let's see where it goes. Let's see what happens. So anybody who take a long here, man, by the time you reach, I would be out as soon as that number flash up. Gone. Because just because you have a push up don't mean it ain't coming down. Because look at structure. Zoop. So y'all better watch it. And y'all at the top of the range. See? You see where greed can take you? Kill your blood clot. Remember, we're at the tippy top. Top. We're on the edge of a cliff. The plane can only go so high, fellas. Alright, let's go. So that's 1, 2. That's a third swing for me. Just because of the whole violence at which it come down. So we have this wake up here. Oh, the zone finna get killed. We know that. What am I sipping on? Shit, none of your business. Alright. Come down. We have a little range popping off. But just follow structure. Like, just because people might say, yo, I have a little range going on here, man. Price might be fighting his way up. There is no evidence to tell me that price is going up because all I see is lows getting run. And then, once again, you're at the top. The big move is further down. So, we're just counting our swings. Look at that. Blood clot. All right. Okay. That was nice. Bullish. So because of that, I am sure that there's a pullback happening and pull back up into this zone to come down. Yeah, buddy. Oh shucks. Control, what's that? Control Z. Yeah. The pullback is in effect, and this is the second swing of the pullback. So yeah, 1, 2. On the higher time frame, this is what? That's a full structure break. Damn. Okay. So if anybody looking for any longs here, it's probably here, because this is one swing, two swing. This is a third swing though. This is a third swing, so it's kind of hard to see with all this color, but just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Are we still going up? What time is it? 9 o'clock. Are we still going up? Ladies and gentlemen, are we still going up? It look like it. Just run this high. Chill with all the markups. All right, let's go. At the top of the range. So when you going to take a long, boss? Obviously, I'm waiting until this low get taken, and I might be able to see if I can put a long through here. Maybe from this, you have this fractal here, which might be very, very important. But I'm not taking any longs up here. I'm sorry. As we move up, I don't see no new high yet. No new high yet. This low getting smashed or what? Yep. Smash him. Come down. Alright. So when I said I was going to see what happened underneath here. So all I'm doing, I'm just wait, boss. Just wait. I failed to take a low. Yeah. Might put in a new high. Yeah, you can put in a new high if you want. That don't make no difference to me. I rather not lose money than take, as some people might think, man, this is taking all day. Right now it's only 10:40 a.m. in the morning, right? I usually get some nice trades 11:30. Them time there. When everything cool down. Alright. The load that put in the high. Not yet. Ain't get run yet. Push up. Equal high, run the low. So that's what I'm banking on to happen before it come down. That's why I'm not in any panic. Oh man, still ain't going. It's going up. It might go up all the way. And let's see. I'm gonna get another equal high here in the middle of the range. So don't trust it. We in a range. People who have plenty of experience who know what's going on without being a shadow of a doubt might just take shots up here because them at the top of the range and them see this thing. But I'm not doing that. Not yet. I'm gonna reach them levels yet. Some of us are wait. I forget it, but I forget it, but just sit down and wait. I forget it, but Alright. Let's go on, come down tonight, man. That's easy. You have easy to know. All day turning 12 o'clock. What? 1 o'clock. What's going on? 1 o'clock. What's going on? Alright. Alright, we'll see how low get run. This low get run. Alright. Which is the low of the range. Remember, top. This is the bottom of the range. Right? Somewhat. And also, let me see this leg here. Well, this leg I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Let's see if we see any pullback activity. This high here. We'll see this high here. If this high get run, then I'll come back. Then I might take a little boost up. But if not, then no. See another low there. Ooh, come down. What is this? What is this? Whoa, what a drop. What a drop. Okay. But coincidentally, what? This is a fractal. This is a fractal that I said was gonna probably give me a push up. But look. Big up yourself, Sizzler. Alright. Come true. Is it safe to go yet? Whoa. I'm not even count them swinging now because we know say yo is a whole heap of swings those. We're on that high yet. Let's zoom in a little bit to see some action. Oh! Tap it. Alright. This is the high. See that? This high is not a part of structure. This is the high that put in the low. So this might be a target to get taken out. Ooh. Boom. Look at that, man. If it come back down, I'm gonna take a long. This is healthy. If it come back down here, I'm taking a long. Captain, when you gonna press the button? Now. We are pressing the button now. If we're dead, we're dead. If we're dead, we're dead. But we're pushing the button now. And I want it to go here. We're pushing the button. No, skipper. Aye, aye, sir. Captain, I sweat. Captain, I sweat, buddy. Captain, you go dead with the ship? You go dead with the ship, Captain? Yes, I said we're going dead with this bomber clot. Aye, aye, sir. Captain, what's going on? Captain dead. Captain dead. Damn, what happened, yo? Shit. I guess I should not trust the fractal. Blame it on the Blame it on the But we're close though. Why should I do? I should I wait until shit. I don't know why should I wait on. But yeah. Blame it on the Damn, I would have lose some money right there, somebody. Look at that. Oh shit, man. Look at this. Perfect looking little. It wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. It wasn't enough, buddy. No horrors not. No horrors not. No scene. Nah, I had nothing wrong here. Is it? What else? I trade. So me that lose some money. So me that wait till something solid get taken. More plush. Look on that one there. Look on that one there. You go fool me twice? You go fool me twice? Then guess what, guys? The first flip is the fake one. I forget to tell you. And I forget that. Look at that. No. Is where the magic happened. So yo, look. Gambling time. If it come if it is on, if it come back down here, then I gotta take a long. If it pass this, if it run this, I gotta take a long. If it don't run this, I gotta take a long. Want some money. Ooh. Oh, where we taking the long to? Where we taking the long to? I'm taking the long. I'm taking the long. Sorry, no. My target is here. So I'm taking the long to the 50% of this zone here. We're going to make up back for the money we lost here. And we finna get profit. Because this is the captain. The captain. That's why, you know. Like let's say no, yeah, I got burnt here. I don't give a shit. I got cooked here. But I did not get panicky. I did not panic and say, yo. I did not panic and say, yo, oh man, we're going short. Let's go short. Yeah, if I did go short here, I'll probably make some money. But I'm not looking for shorts. Because I'm down here. I know eventually, I'm finna get some money eventually. And because if you trade with the rules, no stop loss, no trade. So I'd lose some money here, right? I'd enter here and look how much I would have lost. I'd enter here and I lose down. I come out down here. That's how much I would lose, right? I don't know how much that is. But clearly, the gain is still outweigh the loss. So guess what? You still make money. And that's how trading is. Not every entry you're going to is going to be a win. You know what I'm saying? But make it so that if you lose on there and you take the next trade, then, you know, you make back your money. It's not every day you're going to walk with $1,000. Someday you walk with 200. But at least you walk with something. You know, it was a little hard to get to, but you still have it. All right. So, yeah, that's where I took my target because this was a zone 50%. But I still think that this zone here is going to get taken because the bottom of the range and with this low here just ran a high. So there's a good possibility that the longs are not over yet. Man, what the fuck is this shit? What is this? I don't need this. Alright, let's go. I like zooming out, but anyway. Come back down for retest. Equal. Run the low. So maybe after these lows get club up, Might have another push up maybe. I don't know. This zone getting tapped multiple times. This one get a hard body blow right there, so a hard body blow right there, so yeah, all of those get cooked. So this, nah, I would have never recognized that. All of those get clipped, but that's where it happened, at the bottom of the range. Yep. Structure going up. One swing. Two swing. Bam. What? Slap. Slap way. This high getting this price coming up here though. Don't get it twisted, but I would have, in my foolish, well, if I took this trade here and trade up to here and came out, which that's normally how I trade, I'd have been good. And then I'd have been like, all right, yes, I said this high getting taken, but structure is still like no high was taken, and the real and true master high is up here. Actually, not even that. The up here, but we're at the bottom of this range, but the bottom of this range is still the top of this big range here. So the safest thing to do is wait for this low to get taken. This one, not this one. This one. Will you get a push up here? Maybe, because you run this inside low, but don't expect nothing big. Godly, man. Shit. Come on, man. Trading view. Chill out, no, man. Don't expect nothing big. So you get a little push up there. You might even want to go in again, yeah. But then don't go back. Oh, shit. Damn. Okay. It ran, as I still said, I still said coming for this. But, dog. And then we had the range here. So that changed something. Alright, so I still say that under here is gonna get taken. Alright? Just because it push up don't mean bomba class it up and go up, and it might do that, but that don't mean you must take your chance and cause and effect. Cause and effect. And what I realize is that when I pick my zones below lows, then it's safer that way. No, because we're bullish, you know. But we're at the top of the range, and all the swings got counted. Just a matter of time before price decide to do something. If it put in another high, At least you get money in your pocket. Alright, so let me speed this up to. Actually, no, I could do it the right way. Alright, so yo, look, we're there at 6 o'clock. I'll go on. We're pushing higher, we're pushing, are we going to come down? We're there at 6 o'clock. So we in Asia time, bottom of the range, top of the range. And we know in Asia, we might range. So we probably won't see this low get taken until after Asia. Let's find out. Good. This is good to know because yo, if you, let's say you go in Asia, right? Let's say you go in Asia, and all the kids gonna sleep, and you go in Asia and you come out with $1,000 or $500, and you go work the next day. Oh shit! People wonder, yo, bro, I'm good, bro. You know. So let's see. And Asia, all you do in Asia is arrange. So you know, if you come up here in Asia, you know, yo, psh, come up there and down in Asia, yo. Psh. But let's see. 7 o'clock. It coming down to our zone. It coming down to the zone. Let's see what's happening. 1, 2, 3, maybe. Don't get happy yet. It's just creating. Don't get happy yet. It ain't there yet. No. Like I said, Asia is a range. It could very well decide to come up and just stay in this range. Well, you know. What's going on, Asia? It's Asian session. Yep. Alright, you just gonna go up to the top. Look at that. Jesus. Ranging like a mug, man. Alright. So look. It didn't go down there yet. Alright, cool. Right, it might even kill this. So I ain't let me not put that there. That was oh no. This though, yes, because this is the SND responsible for all of that. All right, but this unmitigated son of a biscuit right here. Just keep an eye out for it. Just keep an eye out for it. So you know there's an imbalance, slight imbalance here because you know it got this shoot up, leave an imbalance, it come back down to the imbalance. But them say first imbalance putting a new high, maybe. But what I was saying is this high is now taken. This is the top of the range. If anybody want to short now, then probably wouldn't be a bad idea to take a little short here because 1, 2, 3, 4. This high got taken. You're inside of a zone. Oh, this zone though. This zone didn't really do anything specific. I'll wait until this high get taken. I'm not gonna fall for this bullshit. I'm not gonna short. But if it come back down to here, I might be thinking about something. You see? I say I'm not going short up here because this is a zone. Yes, is a zone. Yes, but it didn't break this low. It didn't do anything. The zone is this is just an inside high. Okay. And you're on the 1 minute. You ain't do nothing. So I'm not really no, bro. You can't fool me. No, I'm seeing where we're taking this high. We'll just push up. We're strong. How much swings we on, buddy? Not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Run this high. Wait for a structural break. Still pushing up. Damn, where the structural break is. No structural break yet, but yeah, at the top of the range. Top of this range. So this low ran this high. I'm not really used to shorts, man. Yeah, we run this high, but man, I kind of want some. Not very lucky with shorts, man. Even though sometimes I say, yeah, it's going short up there, and I predict it and it right. If it don't like show itself to me, then I ain't finna mess with it. I just like to see lows get taken and then price go into a zone. That's just me. Or I like trading at the bottom of the range. I guess maybe I'm scared of heights. I don't know. I never skydive for fine out all them foolishness there. Alright, let's see. So we're in that swing. Can this consider something structural? Okay, no. Since me's a long man, right? I'm gonna get impatient now. Could we take a long here? Since we consider this a swing and it get run, or should we wait for down here? That's why we back test. So let's just put a little zone in here. No. Let's say I'm hungry. What time now? 2 o'clock in the morning. Hey, shit, people are asleep. But anyway, let's see. Say in London. Alright, 1, 2. Dang, man, get a little help. This thing's London slow, you know. What we doing? This rain shit. Oh. Nah, I'm good. I ain't taking no. Just sleep anyway. Equalize at the top. That's not bad. You see, we wait till the low get taken and it push up price. And we'll wait till the high get taken and we'll price start push down. If you see this happen every single day, we back test every single time. You're gonna be like, alright, if I see this shit happening in real life, then I'll just wait till something get taken, take a trade, even if it's something minuscule like this, because swing structure, low, just I don't know how to explain this, but the more you watch it, the more consistently you watch it, you start to pick up certain things. Even if you're waiting for the trade on all day, the shit don't turn up. Like, damn, like it's teasing me. Just wait. Cause you see it so much time, just wait for it to happen. You know it's gonna happen. Just wait. But the thing is all about trusting it. You know, that's the problem. Just gotta back test to get that trust. We in London, so ain't shit popping. We're heading into New York, so something might bust off very soon. Start volatility, start pick up all kind of shit. This low probably get run right now, or this high probably get run right now. Range at the top of the big range. In New York. So the high get rip up. New York. Oh, what's this? Oh, the pullback so strong. The pullback is so strong, but we're coming into where the pullback so strong. We're coming into where we're going to see some turbulence. Alright, so we expect some shots now, especially we run that high over there. But what's this? Let me slow it down. This low get run. So I expect some turbulence. Look at that, man. Alright, where would we long? Big honesty. This is an imbalance. This is a zone. Break this. That's a short. Damn. This is strong, y'all. This some kind of environment here, yo. You wonder, yo, can I make some money up in this mug? Well, I guess if you follow the big structure here, which tell us, yo, this is a pullback. Not even to this. Screw this. This low that put in the high. Put in the low. And we had said earlier that this is a pullback happening. And we'll come to the swings of the pullback. where we sell 1, 2, 3. So we sell 1, 2, 3. We're still going up, guys. We're still going up. I still think we're going up. We take our shorts up inside here. Yep. Direction. So wait, just because I said that we run this high, right? We run this high. Can we expect something to where we get a push down and a push up? Because this is the tip of the zone, which is usually an imbalance. No sign of even the smaller structure getting equal highs. Alright, we get equal high. Alright. Wait, I wouldn't, no. No. Equal high, run the low. Abort that. Abort. Wait till it come down here. Till it come down some more. Did I say that? The fuck, man? My confidence low or what? Maybe it's the or maybe because of all this shit in the way. But this is not a high on a higher time frame. Look on the 15-minute. It's just some weeks. So I still expect us to be going down. Maybe it's setting up. It's setting up. It's probably setting up the low that get ripped and come down back into here. Yeah, that's what's going on. Like I said earlier. Here. Or even this mug right here. Either way, let's go. Get your little weak ass down. Yep, I'm going long now. Shit, buddy. Give me a chance. God. It's like you don't want to come down to the bottom of the range, but yet when I tell you come, got me some money. You know, sometimes you have to cut her out. But that's as far as I'm going. Sometimes you have to cut her out first. Dog, jeez, man. Alright, so yo, look. I said longing now. Bit impulsive, but you know, you got a little something. We probably should have waited until we see something like a double bottom but you know, sometimes you get lucky. Alright, so that is a 1-to-1. That's some money. I wouldn't say lucky, you just have that sixth sense developed to where you kind of know you can get away with something, even though the correct play was to wait till this low get ripped and then take a little push up. But you'd have probably wait till it come down here. I still have it as the power move down here, but let's just play ball. Up. Power move. See? Damn, this shit volatile. If we did wait, we'd have get cut up, man. Fuck. If we hold on to that, we'd have get cut up, man. And now we can take the long. after this low get taken, we take a big fat long. Look at that, man. Damn, buddy. Push up again, like, yo, man. You gonna wait. I ain't gonna give this money right now. You gonna wait for it. Alright. First imbalance put in a new high, which is that's an imbalance. This is an imbalance right here. If you look on the higher time frame and where I drew the line, you see that this is just a fat red fat candle come up, tap the imbalance, put in a new high. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're at the 50% of the large zone. Let's see what happened. Man, I'll save that for another video. I'll show that tomorrow. Let's stop right here because I'm tired. But what we went over is we saw that the larger time frame doing something. And then look, you got this. So it played a pullback, but we very high. We are very, very high. And we are mitigating this multiple times. Well, not really, but we're in this area. So what did I say before? We're probably going to end up down here. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. And all these longs and shit. Alright, y'all. Peace out.